Yes, I was able to get all these styles with this micro twist synthetic wig from Shein. Want to see? Let's go. Okay, so first you should know that if you choose to buy a synthetic wig from Shein, all of their synthetic wigs come inside of a plastic Ziploc bag like this one. So this one is a 9x6. It's 18 inches, curly, natural, micro box twist braid. So yeah, this is the one that we're working with right now. I love the way it feels. It's super soft, bouncy curls in the inside. It's just like your average wig. You got your lace, you got your 4 combs, one in the front, one in the back, one on either side. And this elastic band though, oh my gosh, super firm, super sturdy, a super must have if you are into synthetic wigs. Okay, so this is how the scalp looks, super clear, super crisp. However, there is a very harsh edge line that grows from one side of the ear to the neck. So I'm going to try to clean that up just by simply putting a little brown makeup on it. And hopefully we can make this line indetectable. Okay, so now it's sized to fit my little pea head. Well, not completely sized. I just put the tack in it. And again, this is the wear and go. You don't got to glue it down. You don't got to do none of that special stuff. Just put on the cap, plop it on, and you out the door. So let's see how she looks. And this is synthetic, so I don't recommend wetting it and all that kind of stuff. Let's see. It do got like some little baby hairs. So I still see this harsh line. See this harsh line. So I'll try to put a little makeup on it. See what we can come up with. But overall, it's cute. Okay, so I put makeup around the edges. So it's blending in a whole lot more. I didn't cut the baby hair around the edges like I normally would. But what I did do was I just took this comb and kind of just like made it a little bit messy. You see how just made it a little bit messy since it's not really going to show anyway. Okay, so I didn't cut the baby hair. I did go ahead and darken up the edges. You see, try to get rid of the harsh line. I'm not a big synthetic wig wearer, but one of the things I love about this wig is it's so versatile. It's already parted for you. There's no going down. This is how the back looks. This is one of the styles. So let's just see what you can do with this wig. So this is style number 1. I like this look. Okay, so this is my favorite look. Okay, it's not bad. Anyway, hit me up in the comments. Let me know what look you like best. If you had this wig, which look would you do on your own? And yeah, that's it. Let me know what you think of it. It's a synthetic wig, Wear and Go by Shein. Very affordable. Like all these wigs are like, I'm not gonna even lie, they're like 10 bucks, 20 bucks. That's it. So very affordable. So hit me up in the comments. Let me know what you think. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification button. I don't want y'all to miss none of my videos.